For the next part, we're actually going to work on the clip itself. So we're going to select the AK layer right here. I'm going to make a new layer on top of it. Hold Alt, as usual. Snap it. Let's zoom in. Let's hit B for brush. You guys are experts by now. You guys know exactly what we're going to do. So I'm going to show you a trick, by the way, right now. So if it's kind of awkward to paint in this angle, if you do R, and then it's gonna give you like the canvas rotation tool, whatever, you can bring it into whatever angle that makes you comfortable in painting. So if you like painting this way, then that's great. So what I want to do is actually I want to get rid of those what is that, like electrical tape, black electrical tape. I don't like it, and I want to get rid of it, and I want you guys to get comfortable with the idea of painting on top of an image, so you don't get too scared. You're like, oh my god, I don't want to touch this, this looks so good, I can't match it. No, this is why you're watching my tutorial, because we can do whatever the hell we want and paint on whatever image, and we don't have to be an expert. You know why you don't have to be an expert? Because the information is right there in front of you. So you're going to take it section by section, piece by piece. Eventually it's going to go away. Just trust me and follow me. So let's get rid of this part right here. How do we get rid of it? Well, we have to continue this part. So let's pick this color right here and paint. Paint. Start to blend these colors together until it disappears. Now what's the next part? It's this edge right here, this highlight edge. I'm going to keep it for now. I don't want to like get too into the details. Let's take the next section right next to it. Again, just follow the information that you have, you guys. Don't invent stuff. It's right there. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to think. You don't have to, you know, worry. Oh my God, what's going on? This is too much. This is too much painting. It's going to look like crap. No, it's not. Just follow me. So now we got rid of this part. Now we can come back, select this edge, I mean the color, and continue this edge just like this. And there you have it, you guys. Then we can come back in here, fix that. Believe it or not, this is what we're going to do for the rest of this section until we got rid of the whole thing. Okay. Don't be scared, you guys. Go in and manipulate it. You're the boss. You're the boss of this image. It's not the boss of you. Okay? As long as you remember that, you're good to go. Just follow the information that you see. Take it slowly. Take it step by step. Eventually, everything is going to go away. And what you'll have left is a clean clip with the stuff that you want on top of it. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be extremely perfect, you know? Just do your best and keep painting until everything is gone. And there you have it. Just follow the information that is provided by the image itself. If you don't want to invent stuff, you don't have to. Just follow the information that's there. And everything is there. All you got to do is just look. So here, this edge, bam. Just continue that edge. Light edge. There. Continue that edge. Now it's gray. I'm going to put the gray. Now it's darker gray. I'm going to put the darker gray. And just like that. Okay. Let's do this real quick. Let's get rid of this. Just like that. And there you have it. Okay. Once I'm done with this section, we're going to zoom out and you're going to see that it matches. There you go. Let's grab this color. Oh, okay, this color, which is basically the same. There you go. And there you have it. Blend, blend, blend as much as you can. There you go. And just keep going. Keep going until it's all gone. Okay. And like I said, you don't have to be scared. This is just you being in control of this painting. You can show what you want and hide what you don't want. And there you have it. Now, once I zoom out, I promise you guys, it's gonna look like exactly the same thing. Like this, what do you call it? The electrical tape never existed. Like it was never on top of this thing. Let's do some quick changes. Quick, because we got more important stuff to do than this. There you go. Let's grab this edge right here. And hopefully you guys are following me. You know exactly what I'm doing. I'm just picking the color and painting it. And then if you see like the lines are still showing right here, you can still see it. Just go back, blend, blend, blend until you stop seeing it, basically. It doesn't have to be straight. It doesn't have to be smooth. We are going to cover it anyways at the end with the wrapping, so don't worry too much about it. Just do your best. And the more you practice, the better you will become. That's about it. Now let's start removing the stuff from here, just like that. Slowly. There's some unwanted stuff right here. There's some unwanted stuff right here. Let's continue that. There you go. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Now we can hit Control E to merge it with the layer at the bottom. Let's remove the lock. I'm gonna hit erase, and I'm gonna just take out this edge right here. There's some extra stuff from the actual tape because it was wrapping outside of it, and we don't need that. Now let's zoom out and watch what's gonna happen. And then of course you're gonna hit R again to bring it back. Hold Shift to bring it back to where it was, and zoom out. Come on, you guys, like it never existed. Okay, cool. I'm sure you guys want to see me do this, right? Oh, what the hell? Let's do it. Let's do it, you guys. I don't want you guys to say, oh my god, he cut the video and he did so much crap. I don't know how he did it. Okay. Stop complaining. New layer, Alt, Snap. We're on this layer. Like I said, just grab the color and paint. Come on, you guys. I'm like literally spoon feeding you this stuff, and honestly I don't mind. I mean, I'm happy doing this. Here, I just want to get through the tutorial real quick. I don't want you guys to go and click on another video and say, oh my god, this guy's so boring, he already showed us how to do this. But you know what, some people are gonna say, oh Charlie, why the hell did you cut the video, man? I don't know how you did that, blah blah blah. So here, there you go. If you want to skip it, go ahead, skip it to the next section. If you don't want to skip it, well, then watch me paint, I guess. Go grab a Coke, or I don't know, smoke something. I don't know. Do whatever you guys do. Here, I'm just gonna paint this. Let's bring that edge back. And I completely bombed it, and I don't care. Why? Because I can always come back in and fix it. And you don't have to have like the steadiest hand, you know, that comes with practice. Even for me, like right now, I kind of woke up a couple hours ago, just had 1 cup of coffee, so that's definitely not enough for me to have a steady hand. But we gonna do it. Why? Because we have to do it. Because I got a tutorial to finish. I got people that want to know how to design a post-apocalyptic AK, and they want to watch me do stuff. So I gotta do what I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do what you gotta do. There you go. Still showing some stuff here. Let's get rid of this. You have it. Hopefully you guys are seeing the lines disappear by now, right? If not, then what the hell are we doing here? I don't know, you tell me. Let's speed this up. I'm gonna take these parts right away, the bigger chunks in the middle first. And then we'll come back to the smaller details, the lines, the highlights and whatnot. There's that. Here's that. There you go. Here's this section. Let's do this section. Cool. Let's do this section. Cool. Let's bring the brush size down and let's go over the edges now. Some black stuff here. There is some of that gray stuff right here. Just like that. And You guys don't be scared if you're sloppy, you know, don't worry. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. I want you guys to actually finish the design instead of making it look perfect. You can always go back in and fix it and make it look nice, but for now, I want you guys to make sure at least that you finish the project. Finishing is way much more important than actually making it look perfect. You know why? Because once you finish, you're gonna feel accomplished. If you don't finish, you're gonna quit and you're gonna say, fuck it, I don't want to do this anymore. And you're not gonna learn anything, and that's not what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to actually finish the project. Do something, post it, you know, show it to your friends, say, oh my god, this guy Charlie is so awesome. He taught me how to do this, and you know, I'm gonna subscribe to his channel because he's awesome. And I'm just talking crap right now because I'm painting. I'm not even paying attention to what I'm saying, so you guys can excuse me. And that's that here. Let's do some blending in here. Still a little bit showing here, a little bit showing there. There you go. A little bit showing here. What else? It's showing a little bit in here. Here's some edges right there. Clean that edge. Clean this edge. Clean this edge. And let's zoom out. If there's stuff you don't like, take it out. By now you probably know already. I don't have to tell you stuff. You can invent stuff. Bam, 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 bam. Don't worry about that either. This looks very good to me, actually. Let's carefully finish this one right here. Come back. Cool. Cool. I'm happy. A little bit more, actually. Let's do it. Here. Darker. Just a tiny bit darker. Just a tiny bit. You can see my lines are absolute crap right now, but I don't care. Okay. R. Shift. Bring it back. Zoom out. The electrical tape never existed on this thing. Oh my god, it's magic. No, it's not magic, you guys. You know how to do it. You guys are professionals by now. So, Control E. Now it's all merged to the AK layer. Control S to save. Done.